I'm trying to keep my head over here. She said that I'm nothing and left me in tears. I'm so alone now. I'm so alone